Suppose you have a raster data as shown in given screen that is ranging from 0 to something interval. You have a continuous data that is ranging from certain value to another value, and you need to categorize this data. Like in my case, I have got a row data that is ranging from 0 to 1500, and I need to classify into 4 class, right? From smaller than 500 value to 1, and it will be called unsuitable, and 500 to 1000 it will be less suitable, it's given 2, and from 1000 to 1500 it gives value 3, and greater than equal to 1500 it's given the value 4. So this is the category that I want from this continuous data. And so what are the steps that I should be taken? So the concept that I'm going to teach you is not applicable for only this particular raster data. You may have a river data, you may have a slope data or settlement data or any kind of data, and you just want to reclassify that data. Then how you can reclassify that? So without any further delay, let's get started. Just go to raster, go to raster calculator, simply left click it. You are going to get the expression bar here. It's all about hitting those expressions, right? It's very simple. First we need, we'll go for this one category. And for one category, I'm just going to enter. I'm just typing everything from keyboard. You also have the option here. 1 into, just give those 2 angular bracket. And I'm just, what I'm going to do is this, double left click this. Please double left click this one. Then you are going to get this. And we want the category value is smaller than 500, right? We are looking for smaller than 500, right? So from this whole range, from 0 to 1500 range, we are taking a small portion of it. That portion is smaller than 500. That is probably from 0 to 499. So that range will fall under category 1, right? So what we'll do then, again we'll just press this plus sign, and what we'll do now, we want another value from greater than 500 to another range. So for that, what we want is, and it's given the category now from 500 to 1000 is given the category called 2. So what is this 2? So this 2 into, actually this into, what this into does is that this value, the range that we have in this range, it comes attached with the value 1. You can say that this range means value 1, right? That into just it multiplies, it comes within, just get attached, like you can understand. Now again give that angular bracket and you just keep it here, double left click it here, and like we said that before, we want from greater than 500 and just into, and again we want from smaller than 1000, right? Smaller than 1000. And what we do is here, so this is the range now. Greater than 500 and smaller than 1000 is the range that we want. From greater than 500 and smaller than 1000, these all things will come under category 2. Actually we are just hitting, we will have also used this AND operator and other kind of things, but what this into dot is that it just combine these two expressions and gives you a whole range that is greater than 500 and smaller than 1000, and these all are kept in category called 2. Likewise, similarly, what we do is, and we just want another expression 3, and what we want is now we want expression that is greater than 1000, and we just also want some expression that is, so just double left click that one, and that is smaller than 1500, right? So this range, from this whole range, a small portion of 1000 to 1500 will come within this range called 3. Now finally we have a value that is called now proximity. If something is, just double left click here, and if something is greater than equal to 1500, then greater than equal to 1500, it will come under the range called 4. This equal to sign is very important here, because if you won't keep equal to sign, then this value 1500 won't come under any kind of classes, right? And what happens then, that it will be remain blank, or you will get some undesired classification, right? It may come under some value called 0 if you won't give this equal sign. In reclassification, you may get a new value called 0, and that 0 means may refer to 1500 as well. So it's better to keep this value to here, equal to sign here. So if everything is done here, then what you can do is you just can save it somewhere here, and make sure, I also want to suggest you one thing: don't forget to untick this. This will be always ticked, because here spatial extent is selected layer extent. So this layer is selected. The output that you are going to from this whole expression is within this extent, right? Just go somewhere and just save it. I just will give it here a name called where this. Okay. I also personally suggest to save this, copy this value somewhere, because if you will do some mistake, then you are going to need this value. Instead of typing all those things, you can just copy. So I am suggesting you this thing, and you can also just click on OK. And now you got a range that is ranging from 1 to 4. You wanted this from 1 to 4, right? And what you can do is that you just go to Symbology, you just go to this unique plated values, you just classify it, and you have got 1 2 3 4, and you wanted 1 2 3 4, and you just give this. You can see here 1 means smaller than 500. That it's a very small value that you can see. Actually, this was a buffer zone, so you can also do some kind of calculation from here. From middle to this one should be 500, around 500, or what is on around something equal to 500, you can see here. So okay, that's a different kind of a story. So what I actually wanted is that just give it label here. This one was for you, it was unsuitable. For 2 it was what was 2 for you? 2 was less suitable, right? And for 3 it was moderately suitable to you, and 4 was highly suitable. So this is the range that you were looking for, right? And you got the thing. So I'm repeating again that this concept. So finally, the green color that is shown here, the green color is greater than 1500, greater than equal to 1500 range. This is green color that is highly suitable for your purpose. I don't know what is the purpose. I am just giving here some random kind of value, and so this kind of things normally comes under multi-criteria decision analysis, and it's very important for reclassification. So I hope that you have learned something new today. So thank you guys for today. If you have any problem, you can always comment, and I'll be there to respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for today.